and you are not me. The lights dim away, the distance in your eyes. Oh no, I said too much. I said it all. That's me the color, that's me the spotlight, losing my religion, trying to keep up with you, and I don't know if I can do it. Oh no, I said too much. I haven't said enough. I thought that I heard you laughing, I thought that I heard you sing. I think I thought I saw you cry. Every whisper, on every walking hour, I'm choosing my confession, trying to keep up with you, like a herd loose in a blind of wood. Oh no, I said too much. I said it all. Consider this, hand of the century. Consider this, yeah, slip that brought me to my knees. Yeah, what if all this fantasies can be ring around? Now I said too much. I thought that I heard you laughing, I thought that I heard you sing. I think I thought I saw you cry. But that was just a dream. That was just a dream. That's me the corner, that's me the spotlight, losing my religion, trying to keep up with you, and I don't know if I can do it. Oh no, I said too much. I haven't said enough. I thought that I heard you laughing, I thought that I heard you sing. I think I thought I saw you try. But that just was a dream. Try. That was just a dream, just a dream, just a dream.